If you guys are trying to build your credit, I always tell you guys, do not let them report more than 5% of your balance to the credit bureaus. You can use more than 5%, but do not let them report it. So that means by your due date, have it paid down to that 5% or below. Such as with a $200 credit card, you guys should not let them report more than $10 to the credit bureaus. So if you got a $190 balance, you need to pay it down. You need to pay $180 on that account so that you'll have $10 left over, or pay the full $190 so that they can report to the credit bureaus that you have a low balance, which should keep your credit score high. So that's the thing, no more than 5%. Now, if you ever messed up and you let a balance, a high balance go to the credit bureaus, you let them report it, it's not the end of the world, because all you have to do is just pay off that credit card or pay down that credit card next month, because I'm pretty sure your credit score dropped. I already know that, because I just know my credit do that. Everybody credit do that. If you kept that high balance on there, but all you have to do is pay down your credit card next month, and your credit score is going to go back up. Sometimes it's going to go higher than what it was before. So don't think too hard. You can just pay it off the next month and you guys should be fine. Okay, but just make sure, if you really want to build your credit, you just not letting them report it. So you can max out a credit card, but just you better make sure it's paid down where not more than 5% is being reported to the credit bureaus.